How to change your YouTube TV home area. Changing your YouTube TV home area is essential if you've moved or want access to local channels in a new location. Follow these steps. Step number 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or visit tv.youtube.com in a web browser. Sign into your accounts. Step number 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Step number 3. Navigate to the area section. In the settings menu, go to area. Select home area to view your current location. Step number 4. Update your home area. Click update to change your home area. Confirm your new location by following the prompts. Ensure your device is connected to the internet in the new area, as YouTube TV uses your IP address to verify the location. Step number 5. Save changes. Once updated, YouTube TV will reflect your new home area and local channels for that region will be available. Important notes. Frequency of changes. You can update your home area up to 2 times per year. Location verification. You must be physically present in the new location to update your home area. Traveling. If you're temporarily in a different location, you can use playback area settings to access local channels without changing your home area.